Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects in 5 minutes. Let's get started. So I have 7 images for make animation. Okay, let's select this all image, press S and make scale keyframe. Go to 2 seconds and change scale 200. Let's see. Okay. Then select these all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease or F9. Go to graph editor, select this first keyframe graph, move to left. Okay, select these keyframes, move to left. Okay, again click this icon for exit graph editor. Then click keyframes, select this image, move to right and select this, move to right and this and this. Okay, go to window, open Animation Composer 3. If you not see here your Animation Composer, you can watch this tutorial how to download and install free Animation Composer 3. So let's open Starter Precoms and we can use this zoom and rotate. Okay, let's click this add button and wait. Okay, this is our zoom rotate. Let's hide this sound and move to down. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's select this image, move to right and change quality quarter. Let's see. Okay, select this and this, move to right. Okay, let's select this image, Ctrl T for duplicate and select this, press S, click this icon for close scale keyframes and change scale. Okay, make scale keyframe again, go to here and change 300. Okay, select these 2 layers, zoom and image 2, move to right. Okay, then go to FX presets, search effect Gaussian blur and let's use for this layer, change blurriness. Okay, click this checkbox. Okay, then select these 2 images, press T, go to here, make opacity keyframe and go to back, change opacity 0. Let's see. Okay, let's move to here this. Okay, select this image 2, move to here. Let's move to back this image. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. So let's again use other effects. Okay, so this is not bad, pan shot. Let's click add and close sound, move to up. Okay, and select this image 3, move to here. Okay, like this. Press U for select this keyframe, select this scale keyframes, move to left. Okay, not bad. Let's see. Okay, select these two layers, composition and image. Let's move to here. Let's say again. Okay, not bad. So let's click browser and use other effects. Shake distort. Let's click add. Okay. Move to app and select this image 4. Move to here. Okay, not bad. Select this image 4, press U. Select this scale keyframes, move to left. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Nice. Then again back to browse animation composer. Let's select other effects. Open this zoom and click add. Again close sound and move to here. Select this image 5. Press U, select scale keyframes, move to left. Okay, not bad. Let's see again. Nice, I like it. Let's select this all images and compositions, move to right. Again, let's see. Not bad. I like it. Okay, let's again use other effect. Let's use this simple composition. Okay, click again this sound icon and move to here. Select this image 6, move to left. Press U, select this scale keyframes, move to left. Okay, move to image right. Let's see here, preview. Okay, nice. Okay, let's select this keyframe, change scale. Okay. Okay, and let's use again this effects, shake distort, click add and move to app, select this 7 image, move to here. Press U, select scale keyframes, move to left. Okay, let's see full project. So, I think this is not bad. And let's use this effects, digital glitch, long glitch, let's add. Okay, close sound. And move to left for start first image. Okay, nice. Select this digital glitch, Ctrl D for duplicate, move to up and move to right. Again Ctrl D, move to right. Let's see. Okay, not bad, I like it. So let's close this Animation Composer 3 window. I will add video about how to download and install free Animation Composer 3. You can watch and learn how to use this Animation Composer 3. This is amazing plugin. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.